This is Michael Blade, circa 2012, with a new idea. The Viridoo experiment was a project that I did to tie a social network to a virtual world, customized to go along with my sci-fi blog writings. It was kind of an experiment to see if I could create virtual space and tie it to writing space so that the imagination could try out all kinds of things. So I'm going to put this out in the open space. The idea was, and let's get to it, that you can materialize objects in the real from the virtual, and I call that Materialized Virtuality, or Materialized Virtual. And so, get into the details. You have to look at some of the trends in technology today. You can see that there's 3D printers. There's even recently I read an article about nano 3D construction. So, if, for example, instead of being in front of a workstation, you are the avatar walking around a three-dimensional object. So I'm going to print out these glasses, say, right? So I design them out in my CAD/CAM computer software on my desktop, and everything's fine. But what if I'm virtual? What if I'm an avatar and I come in here and I start doing things to the glasses and expanding them and applying textures and that sort of thing, and then I press print in the virtual, and out in the physical a 3D printer is printing out these glasses. So you tie that in with social networking, and so it becomes a gift that you could give, like a toy or a mem of the virtual space in the physical space through materialized 3D printing. So that's the idea.